The software has many different types of barcodes built into it that are ready for use inside your labels, including the most common such as code 128 and QR codes. To create a barcode, click on Barcode on the left-hand toolbar and then click onto your label. This will then generate a default code 128 barcode that can then be resized and moved around as required. To change the properties of the barcode, click on the three lines in the corner to open the properties box. And for example, to create a QR code that's linked to your website, firstly, input your website information. Then to create the QR code, click on Barcode, and you're given a drop-down list of the different barcode types that are available. Click on QR, and a QR is then generated on your label. You can click the X on the properties box to remove this on the screen, and then resize and move around as required. When using code 128 barcodes, the human readable element of the barcode can be removed or moved around as required. Again, to do this, click the three lines in the corner, and under the barcode tab, click the human readable sub-tab, where you can choose to have the information below, above the barcode, or none at all. Again, once you're happy, click the X on the properties box to remove it from the screen. Barcodes can also be linked to sequential numbers and to databases.